Alexa, show me the front door.
Powered by a built-in battery, this smart camera goes wherever you need it. Get 66% more vertical coverage than a standard video doorbell. See more, top to bottom. It even detects packages and sends instant alerts. See, hear, and speak to anyone right from your phone, whether you're home or away. And yes, it works seamlessly with Alexa. See what's up and spot deliveries down low, all from your phone. Whether it's a visitor or a package at your door, you'll always be in the know. Simple to install, smart to own, this is next-level home security.